Hello, my name is Cielo. I'm here to tell you my story with hyperbaric. Had in the last few years a few surgeries, and as I age, I started to notice that I started healing keloids, dissatisfied with that situation. So last year, when I was told that I needed to have another surgery, I had no hesitation to try the hyperbaric oxygen and just to give it a try to see how it would help me based on the little knowledge that I have about hyperbarics, which includes helping the tissues in the body heal faster and heal better. I decided that I did a consultation and the doctor recommended me to do some sessions before the surgery and after the surgery. So I started my journey a week before the surgery. I had abdominal surgery, and every day I did a section of hyperbaric oxygen during the entire week prior to the surgery. I started noticing the first time I did it, when I came out of that, I was kind of like I describe it like when you buy a new mattress, that you have such a quiet and restful night of sleep, and then you wake up the next day and you're like in shock because you don't really, you're awake, you just went through a full night of sleep, but then you wake up and you feel so good, so renovated, and so you're like, okay, what happened here? And then you realize, okay, I just got my new mattress, I had a great night of sleep. I felt like that when I came out the chamber the first time, like more energy. I felt like I wanted to go out there and do things. I went to exercise. I was very active that week when I was doing the hyperbaric. So I kind of like, I was okay, well, if it doesn't do anything to me, it'll give me energy and I feel great. I really did feel good. And then I watch a lot of Netflix shows during the treatment, and I kind of keep myself entertained because I'm a little claustrophobic, and I was also hesitant that I would, like, how would I feel inside the chamber? What am I gonna do if I get nervous? However, I was explained very well that the chambers are completely clear and that I would have a tech right by me all the time, and I really, it went through like a breeze. I really didn't feel claustrophobic at all because I was in the clear chamber, so it really felt like I was laying on a bed in the room. I was energized and happy. Then I went to have the surgery and it went very well, thank God, and I recovered very fast. The pain was actually less than I expected it to be. I feel that it has to do with the hyperbaric sessions that I did before. When I went home the next day, I was walking around with no problem, was out of bed the entire time, which was different to the other surgeries that I had in the past that kept me in bed for longer days. I wasn't in a lot of pain. I remember that in 3 days, I went to the office because something needed to be done, and I just told my daughter, just drive me, because my doctor told me I couldn't drive. So my daughter was giving me company and helping me out, and she drove me to work, and I was working 3 days after. Everybody thought I was crazy, but I really felt fine. I knew I just had surgery, and I was a little slow on everything, but at the same time, I felt good. And then couple days after the surgery, I started doing the hyperbarics again for another week, and to my surprise, I did not heal keloid this time. My scars closed completely in a week, and you could see just the tiny lines, and I was very happy with that. And the fact that I felt energized and it helped me with the pain, and it just went through like, I don't know, it didn't even feel like I went through an abdominal surgery. I just appreciate that, and I would recommend it to anybody who is going through surgery. Then my friend had a plastic surgery, and I kind of like told her about it, and she did it, and same thing. She felt energized, not a whole lot of pain. She healed faster than expected. I do personally do it again if I had to have surgery, but now I kind of like do it in between, because I actually noticed that when I did my hyperbaric oxygen treatments, my skin felt really refreshed, and it really gave me a glow that I did not have before. So I kind of still do it like here and there just for my skin. I enjoy it and I like it, and I recommend it to everybody who want to try it. And even for the skin, or somebody's having surgery, it really is worth to give it a try. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is the best.